let's go on a December holiday adventure. We'll take a look at all the different lights and explore Vancouver to Squamish to Whistler. It'll be so much fun. I can't wait to get started with you. This adventure will take us on a journey from Vancouver, BC to Whistler, BC.
Please.
Hi everyone! Welcome to my favorite time of year. It's winter and it's starting to get really cold. And you see my breath? That's how cold it is outside, which means the snow will be coming very, very soon. So just be a little bit patient and you'll see that white fluffy stuff coming from the sky instead of that rain. It'll be a nice little change. Now what can we do to get ready? I've got my scarf on, my nice thick jacket, and some gloves because my hands are getting a little bit chilly. All aboard! First stop will be at the Stanley Park train in downtown Vancouver. I see a snow person. Another snow person? And another snow person? I saw 3 snow people. Did you see 3? If not, go back and see it again. Oh my goodness. I think I see something in the forest of lights. Hidden. Oh, it's an animal. I see what color is it? It's white and it's hiding in the forest. Do you see it yet? Oh, wow. It's a reindeer. Point to it. Do you see it yet? There it is! Oh, so beautiful. Look at those antlers too. Time to travel to the North Pole. We're going to take a trip to Squamish. Just about an hour away driving, so just be careful. Remember your ticket. It's the only way to get to the North Pole on the North Pole Express. Thanks to our friends from the Railway Museum of British Columbia, we're able to go to the North Pole.
Where are we right now?
Rain, and where are we going to see?
Santa.
When we arrive at the North Pole, we'll get to see Santa. There's a miniature train. We will decorate gingerbread cookies. It'll be so much fun. Goodbye, elves. Goodbye, trains. Thank you, volunteers, for all your help in making this place run so well. It's time to go from Squamish to Whistler to see the great, beautiful lights at Vallea Lumina. Oh, I can't wait. Wow, look at all the snow. Be careful, it's a little bit slippery. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. We found the enchanted forest of Whistler. Beautiful lights and Vallea Lumina, one of the only ones in the world and the only one in Canada. We're going to take an expedition around the forest, just you and me. It's going to be nice and quiet and we'll see we'll see a beautiful show. Are you ready to go on this adventure with me? Let's go. Oh, wow. What animal do you see? Yes, that's right. Looks like a great big bear. Good job. Wow, this interactive light and music show was spectacular. It was so fun. We got to walk around the forest in nature with the music and the lights and the snow. Oh, it was so much fun. I really enjoyed that. Thanks for joining me. I really hope you could come and see it for yourself. It's amazing. It's a little cold. I'm a little bit chilly. I have an idea. Why don't we roast marshmallows by the fire? Remember, fire is very dangerous, so we need to be with the grown-up and make sure we're pretty far away. Can't touch it, it'll hurt so much. Make sure you're far away and only the marshmallows get close, okay? In December, there are lots of celebrations that happen. Some have earlier on Diwali in November. Some people celebrate Hanukkah. Some people celebrate Christmas. Maybe you don't celebrate anything at all, and that's okay too. But whatever you do to celebrate the season or even the snow outside, why don't you let me know, okay? I had a great time with you today from Vancouver, Squamish to Whistler. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to have more with you soon. Have a happy end of December, and we'll see you in the new year. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Bye everyone. Remember ALY, ALY. Always love yourself. Take care of yourselves, take care of your family, and we hope to see you in the new year. Don't forget, at the end of this video, there's some bonus footage just for you. You see the little thumbs up? Press that. That means you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll have more adventures. Bye. Okay. Where do you want to put it on this beautiful?
Right there.
Okay, put it there. That's called peppermint. Do you like peppermint? Yeah, is it good?
Spicy.
Yeah, it's kind of got that spicy taste, but it's a good spicy, right? It's a different kind. It's called mint. It's called mint. It tickles your tongue, right? It tickles your tongue.